Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by preparing the Redmi A3 and opening settings now. Make sure the battery is above 20% and unlock the phone using your current PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. This prevents interruptions. Next, find and tap the settings icon, then scroll to the lock screen section. Once done, you're inside the lock screen menu where key options live. This is where you change wallpaper, shortcuts, and security settings. Follow the next steps to modify visuals and behavior. You will now modify visuals and quick actions. Tap wallpaper, then lock screen, and pick an album photo, system wallpaper, or dynamic option. The why is simple. Lock screen wallpapers set first impressions and reduce eye strain depending on contrast. After selecting wallpaper, go back and open clock style and widgets to adjust readability and info density. Make sure to set shortcuts if you use quick apps. Choose one-handed safe apps or disable shortcuts to prevent accidental opens. Finish by verifying security and saving changes. Tap lock screen security to confirm or change PIN, pattern, password, or enable biometrics. You need both convenience and protection, so balance them. Once configured, press the power button to lock, then wake the phone to inspect the wallpaper, clock, and shortcuts in real conditions. If something fails to apply, reboot the phone, then revisit lock screen settings. This single reboot fixes most UI glitches. If not, reset lock screen settings as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.